I seem like the bad guy, but I do this out of necessity. I will share this feeling, this closeness, not because I want to, but because everyone deserves to have this embrace. They need it. I know they do.
So, are you really going through with this?
I have to.
I don't think you do.
I don't want to be having this conversation with you right now.
It's all cracked up, man. It's all cracked up.
Do you mean it's not what it's cracked up to be?
No. Okay, whatever.
I've never heard anyone
just
say
forget
that.
I said that. All right, what you're about to do, just don't do it. Okay, just don't do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't. You were out there doing it again, weren't you?
So what if I am?
Look, I won't rat you out, all right? But your arrogance is putting both of us at danger.
Whatever, man.
Illegal hug exchanges are growing more common daily. If you see two people dangerously close to each other, call your local police station or the National Hug Security Line.
You the guy?
Yeah.
Let's do it.